Next week with the X-Men Wolverine movie, it is, ladies and gentlemen, and all the ships at sea, the world premiere right here in Tempe.
Yeah, one Tempe store is offering 20% off all Wolverine merchandise. Jamie King.
Jamie King live.
Showing us around.
You get to pick up some stuff?
I'm tempted. Look at this.
Yeah.
He's a cool guy, man. We're not sure when the claws grew in or when he got so ripped, but the Wolverine, he's a bad dude. And the world premiere, a red carpet world premiere, right here in Tempe over at the Harkins Theater over in the Tempe Marketplace, the new big palatial theater. We've had it on Fox 10 Arizona Morning a number of times, and boy, those people are in for a treat. This is Marco out here at Pop Culture Paradise. How are you, my friend?
Pretty good.
Good. You've got all the swag necessary for all the Wolverine lovers, and there's probably going to be some new Wolverine lovers after this movie debuts, right?
Oh, heck, there better be, man. We got plenty of swag. Tons, but I mean, I tell you what, right now, Wolverine, before the movie, was one of the best-selling comic book characters out there. Now, with this movie here in this town, he is the top dog right now.
Tell me about this statue here. This is a Randy Bowen statue. He's world-renowned for putting out stuff like this. Absolutely. You can win this. All you got to do is put yourself a little sign up in this fishbowl here, and you could win this bad boy, right?
It's really easy. All you have to do is buy anything in our store with Wolverine on the cover or Wolverine within the cover, and you'll get yourself entered into this drawing. If you buy 5 items with Wolverine on it, you'll get entered 5 times. And this is a very popular statue manufacturer, Randy Bowen.
Marco,
statue right
Marco, what's the big draw when people come in, they want the Wolverine swag? What on this table might the really thick collector want to maybe put under his belt?
Well, if you look for something other than just a comic book, like right here we got a pop-up comic book with Wolverine in it. Everybody remembers the pop-up books. Yeah. You have something that appeals to the females out there. It's not just the guy industry, but you have a day in the life of our mutant hero right here.
And it's called Worst Day Ever, right?
Absolutely, because that's just how it is for Wolverine. It's always a bad day. Some different things like the Wolverine files here have some different inserts that are kind of neat. Oh, it's very neat. I mean, they get very creative on what they put out here.
Kind of like he took the claws to the...
You got it. Yeah, he tore that book up. But we've got plenty here. We've got 99-cent comics to a $200 statue and the same amount for comic books under our counter.
Marco, you mentioned 99-cent comics, and we were talking about the kid who he maybe pulls weeds and washes cars on weekends. You know, the elementary school student who can't afford, to shell out $15 or $20 for a comic or even one of these $200 statues. You've got something for them too here.
Oh, we do. We have the largest selection of 99-cent comic books right now. We have about 5,000 comics that kids can choose from. I mean, we're on campus, Jamie, so we need starving student prices. So we got plenty of that here and plenty of selection for them as well.
Okay, this is Marco, Pop Culture Paradise. Come on down. You're off of Forest here in University, right?
Forest and University, right off Mill and University.
In the heart of ASU. Hey, thanks for having us, man. Okay, Wolverine, world debut right here in Tempe. Back to you guys.
Pretty amazing,
We're excited about it.